This is your 2024 Delta Cup as we are live here inside the Brenzigiao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for this third game of this Saturday quadruple headers. Makikita natin etong Mabalacat City MCG Cares looking to win in this ball game. Ang makakatapat nila etong Apalit, I love it dito, who won their last game against Lubao last January 25, and that is our game at hand between the city of Mabalacat kontra Apalit, I love it. Ako po ang inyong makakasama ngayong araw. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa. Siyempre, itong dalawang koponan looking to go further up in the team standings. At pwede nyo pong subaybayan ang kanilang mga laro sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. Naka-live po tayo dyan ngayon. At siyempre, subscribe na din po kayo sa Pampanga_PIO YouTube channel. We are also live there. And siyempre, simultaneously being broadcasted live din sa Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. Ang ating apat na laro ngayong araw ngayon, as this is the third game of our quadruple header, and we can see the team standings para dito sa magkabilang koponan. We can see itong Mabalacat City MCG Cares are 3-1 at the number 4 spot para dito sa bracket A. Samantalang eto namang Apalit, I love it, are at the number 3 spot, 4-1 ang kanilang record. So almost identical standings, magkabila lang. So aangat ang mananalo, bababa ang matatalo. Tingnan nga natin between these two teams, sino ba ang aangat, sino ba ang bababa sa bracket A, as coming up is the battle between the city of Mabalacat kontra Apalit, I love it. And to introduce the starters of this ball game, let's turn it over to our arena announcer.
Welcome everyone to the 2023-2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by the Provincial Government of Pampanga. We're live here in the Brenzigiao Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. You can catch all the games on Facebook at Pampanga PIO, YouTube at Pampanga PIO, and also Sinag Liga TV on YouTube. Let's go on the starters for both teams. First one from Team Mabalacat. Number 6, Joe Dison. Number 10, Nico Tipino. Number 19, Rainer Basangan. Number 12, Kim Arcilla. And number 32, Jenreme Manalo. First one from Team Apalit. Number 22, Christian Silvestre. Number 25, Khaled Macapagal. Number 1, Ken Montalvo. Number 3, Yuri Masibak. And number 23, Landel Garcia. And our referee, Mike Galutera, Dennis Escarlos, and Willie Hibe.
And here are your starters of the game for the city of Mabalacat. They're starting with Dizon, Basangan, Manalo, Tipino, and Arcilla. Para naman dito sa Apalit, I love it. They're starting with Silvestre, Macapagal, Montalvo, Masibak, and Lendel Garcia, who was the best player of the game against Lubao. Last game, he produced 20 points in that ball game. Let's see between the battle of the number 3 and number 4 seeds for bracket A, who will win as Apalit gets first crack at the basketball. Garcia hounded right there. And a quick turnover para din sa Apalit. Good defense. Galing dito kay Kim Arcilla. Dizon manning the point. Joff goes to the corner. Three-pointer is a miss para dito kay Tipino. Here comes Apalit. This kid, itong si Montalvo, really impressed a lot of people in the last game din. Some of the fast break moves, mga open court moves niya, talagang ang daming napangmangha. Ito in transition, the layup is a miss para dito kay Joff Dizon. So no field goals yet for both teams. Garcia gives it to Montalvo. Wide open look, in and out para dito kay Ken. Dizon gives it to Basangan. They go to the corner. Arcillas, no good from the three. Tipino with a rebound. Genriv, he'll attack. Genriv traveled that time. Genriv Manalo, part of this trio para sa panig ng City of Mabalacat na nanggaling ng Luwid-1 Kapampangan. Of course, also there's MJ Elospa and JP Malyari. All played for Luwid-1 Kapampangan. Scoreless na parehong koponan Montalvo from way downtown, off the mark. Basangan with the rebound. Of course, Rainer Basangan, the brother of Ernesto Basangan. Oh, good shot right there. Para dito kay Tipino. Nico Tipino, his first 3 points of the ball game. And the first 3 points din for Mabalacat City. Good give and go right here. Oh, better defense by Basangan. You say Basangan, just like his brother, Ernesto. They can fly high and they can also defend. And that time, Rainer protecting the paint in the last line of defense. Garcia, good baseline pass. They kick it out, Montalvo. Sidestep three-pointer. Wala pa rin, now 0 for 3 itong si Montalvo to start off this ball game. On the run, Dizon. The kick to Tipino. Extra pass, Basangan, three-pointer. No good for Rainer. Silvestre gets stripped, Montalvo behind the back. And that's a turnover. So not the start Apalit wanted there. And again, last game against Lubao, they literally gave it against Lubao doon. They had to stop it. Si Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino last game against Lubao. Now they have to face itong Mabalacat City as a rebound by Genriv. Masyado malakas yung pasa niya kay Arcilla and they turn it over din. So not really the start both teams wanted. Both teams committing turnovers in a lot of missed shots from open looks. Montalvo gives it. Three-pointer right here is a miss. On the fast break, good passing lane defense. That would have been an easy layup. Easy 2 points sana yun for Basangan. Good defense right here by Masibak. And the baseline pass was tapped. Ball remains dito sa Mabalacat. Dizon. Natapik from behind ni Garcia. Garcia on the run. Garcia all alone, and he will score. Lendel Garcia, 20 points in the last game. Scoring the first 2 points for Apalit. I love it. Dizon splits the defense. They go down low. Oh, good move right there. Galing dito kay Kim Arcilla. Five to 2 ang ating score. 6 minutes and 20. Beautiful reverse layup. Sobrang alang. Tumatakbo na naman itong Mabalacat. Dizon, hop, step, move it. That's a clear traveling violation there. Another chance for Apalit. tie the game with a three-pointer, even inch closer to one. They get a layup. Talvo kicks it. Garcia. Lendl from the outside, off the mark. Tipino with a rebound. Dizon. Garcia again playing the passing lane. Masibak goes to Montalvo. Montalvo, the up fake, squeezes through. No go and tapi ka ng bola. Oh! Out of nowhere, Macapagal was there. Khaled scores his first 2 points of the ballgame. Great hustle play, not stopping. He did not stop playing even though there was no whistle then. Great job by Macapagal. Dizon, rip through move, drops it off. Genriv underneath, drops it off to Arcelias, and that's a 3-second violation for the two big man. Bola dito ng Apalit. They're down by one. They can retake the lead, or they can take the lead for the first time in this ball game for this possession. There's a whistle right here, a holding foul. I believe it's on Kim Arcelias. First foul on Arcelia. Silvestre face-to-face doon sa poste. A four-man substitution right here for Mabalacat. Pasok itong Tolentino. Jamiel Malyari. And itong si Liscano. So near platoon substitution para dito sa Mabalacat. At Silvestre underneath, no go. Tolentino with a rebound. Tolentino on the run. Kicks it to Basangan. Rayner, jumper, no good. And Silvestre, the big man, really dominant on the rebounding. JD David also in the ball game as eto na. Dalawit one Kapampangan scorer. MJ Elospas now on the floor for Mabalacat. Very explosive scorer itong si MJ Elospa, regardless if he starts on the bench, coming off the bench, or starter siya. Let's see how he'll affect the ball game as Silvestre, the jumper in and out. Elospa with his first board. MJ gives it to a wide open look. In and out nga lang for Malyari. And Montalvo really not having the best of starts. A lot of turnovers for Montalvo. Pangatlo niya yan. And also 0 for 3 shot from three-point land. Again, in the world of basketball, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. Elospa, pull-up three-pointer. Off the glass for MJ. And that's the same shot he started his Sinag Liga Asia career, a back three-pointer. Familiar sight for Sinag fans there for MJ Elospa. Good floater, mintis lang, but Garcia gets it. Garcia, another try, no good. Tolentino with a second rebound. They give it to MJ. Elospa on the attack. Elospa bumps. Gives it to Tolentino, but there's a block from behind. A steal here by Malyari. Jamiel goes underneath. Oh, good passing right here for Mabalacat, and it leads to a Jamiel Malyari. Easy shortstop at lamang na itong Mabalacat by 6 points. Dito 10-4. A timeout is whistled by the head coach of Apalit. I love it. Coach Saldi Messina. And let's look at his shortstop. Galing dito kay Jamiel Malyari. 10-4 is our score. Apalit, I love it, down by 6 points dito, 10-4. This last game against Lubao, they did play a tremendous game. They were leading all the way to the fourth quarter and totally shut out itong Lubao's chances to come back. Right now, they are down currently by 6 points. Let's see what they'll do after their timeout. Garcia gives it dito to Makapagal. Back to Garcia. Masibag, the jumper off the mark pa rin. But Masibag gets it. Masibag, tumama pa sa paa niya. So babalik ang bola dito sa panig ng Mabalacat. A substitution right here for Apalit. I love it. Maglalang comes in. Lalabas itong si Christian Silvestre. The game clock and shot clock did not move. Oh, hold on. There were 6 players para sa panig ng Apalit. There were 6 players. That's why the clock did not move. The table officials were telling the refs na 6 ang player ng Apalit doon. So this will be a technical foul on Apalit. Elospa knocks down the technical free throw. Now 4 points to Elospa's name. 11-4 is our score. Three minutes and 27 natitira sa ating first quarter. Elospa hands it off to Malyari. David, he'll attack, and there's an offensive foul. Clear moving screen right there on Vincent Liscano. First personal foul on Liscano. Here comes Apalit. Garcia is swinging around with a defense right here by Mabalacat, switching everything right now and icing the ball screen. Look at that tap right there by Liscano. Ball stays with the men in orange. Montalvo from the outside, 0 for 4 now from three-point land. Etong si Montalvo, 0 for 5 now overall from the field. As Elospa to the basket, denied. Good defense by Makapagal. 17 seconds on the shot clock of the men in white. Malyari, the kick to the corner. Tolentino, he'll attack. Off the glass shot, no go. Montalvo tosses it up to Garcia. Masyado nga lang malakas, even for the quick Garcia. Montalvo will sit down. Babalik ito si Silvestre on the floor. Again, not the start that Apalit wanted. A lot of turnovers and a lot of missed open looks from the outside. Elospa. The kick. Three-pointer right here for Malyari. No go. Big rebound by Mabalacat, but there's a block up top. Liscano got denied. David. And that's a turnover again for Mabalacat. Elospa tried to give a duty foul, and Makapagal with an easy layup on the fast break. Elospa pull up three-pointer. It's good for MJ. Pangalawa na niya yan. 7 first quarter points for MJ Elospa. What a talent this kid is. Makapagal babawi. Short. Tolentino. They give it to Elospa. Another trail three. No, he decides to attack. The kick to Tolentino. He'll fire for three. No go. Dizon. That's going to be a foul. I believe it's going to be on Jamel Malyari. Open look. They passed it up. Silvestre underneath. Putting it up and in. Good move right there by Christian Silvestre. Elospa. Liscano. Oh, good jumper right there para dito kay Malyari. Damiel Malyari cutting to the basket beautifully there. And a basket on the other end. Para dito kang Edmar Dizon. And ito may agaw na naman ng Apalit. 3-on-1. Makapagal on the run. Makapagal! I thought he'd throw it down. Elospa goes to the corner. Malyari from the outside. Short. Is that partially deflected by Silvestre? I think so, but ball will remain dito sa panig ng Apalit. Down by 4 na lang sila. Babalik dito si Yuri Masibag. Masibag, starter, is back on the floor again. Dizon calling for a horns play. Oh, good pass underneath, and Dizon scores. Here comes Apalit. I love it. Elospa. Ooh, nearly got it to go. And there was a foul call. Referees are going to review it if umabot pa. Smart heads-up play galing dito kay MJ Elospa to draw that foul. But our referees are going to review it if there's still time on the clock nung pinito yun. Again, we're on the whistle, not on the contact. Let's check it right here. MJ dribbling on the court. There's the foul. And let's just wait for the referee's decision right here. They say there's a foul. So this will be 3 free throws para ditong MJ Elospa at the end of the quarter. So hindi pa pala tapos ang ating first quarter dito. The referee is discussing something sa ating table officials dito. They're checking on the time. Kasi nga kanina, nawala na yung clock. The buzzer already sounded, so they're checking on the game clock. And kanina, basing that on the replay, 0.3 or 0.3 of a second ang natitira. So yan na, nailagay na nila sa game clock. 0.3 of a second. This will be 3 free throws for MJ Elospa. There should still be players on the floor. There's still time. Elospa misses. Still 7 points to his tally in the first period. One out of 2 for MJ. Two out of 3 for MJ, now with 9 first quarter points. And then the toss-up right here, hindi lang nasalo ni Dizon ng maayos, but the city of Mabalacat up right now by 4 points after those 2 free throws by MJ Elospa. And MJ Elospa, half of the points of this city of Mabalacat come from him. 9 of the 18, kanya. As we will see some of these first quarter highlights dito. A very explosive quarter para dito sa city of Mabalacat. That 3-pointer kanina by Nico Tipino. And right here, Ledel Garcia with that layup. Pagdating ni Elospa, he really exploded. 9 first quarter points para sa kanya. Here comes that makapagal layup right there. I thought he would throw it down. But still, it's the city of Mabalacat who have a 4-point lead dito, 18-14 after the end of the first quarter. Please follow itong laro namin bukas sa Sinag Lakas 40 ang semifinals game 2 ng Taytay J Project versus Tito Rex's Firewire Santa Rosa Lion Saints and the home team, Malolos Republic, sa Malolos Sports and Convention Center po gaganapin yan. Kaya na ba i-book ng Santa Rosa Lion Saints and Tito Rex's Firewire ang kanilang ticket to the finals, or will Taytay J Project and Malolos Republic live to fight another game? As Dizon from top of the key knocks it down. Big shot there for Jeff Dizon. Silvestre underneath, and the big man again. Really, really dominant against Lubao. And still dominant here. Nobody can stop ito si Christian Silvestre. Basket and one para sa kanya. Silvestre bonus free throw. Too strong. But look at that offensive rebound. Basket and one na naman din para dito kay JB Maglalang. The hustle from Apalit, I love it. Out-rebounding itong Mabalacat. Maglalang, it's his turn naman to try and complete a three-point play. I guess he does. First 3 points of the game para dito kay Maglalang. 2-point lead for Mabalacat. Dizon goes to Tipino. Tipino from the outside, no good. Elospa is fouled. Second personal foul on Dizon. Elospa goes to the baseline. Great denial by Silvestre. Tumatakbo ng Apalit. Oh, that's a discontinued dribble right there. Clearly, easy call from our referees. Dizon gives it to Tipino. Good hook shot right there, and it falls. Para dito kay VJ Viray. Dizon, jumper, no good, and Tipino with a rebound. Ito na naman ang Apalit. Dizon the jumper, it's good para dito kay Edmar Dizon. There's 2 Dizons on the floor, so I believe I'll just say their first names. Edmar with the basket right there. Joff goes to Tipino. Tipino attacks, kicks it. Oh, Viray loses the basketball. On the run na naman itong Apalit. Oh, muscling his way through. What a basket right there by Yuri Masibak. Elospa being guarded. They go back to Dizon. He'll try from way downtown and knocks it down from Curry Country. Well, how do you defend that when your point guard can shoot from way downtown? And Tipino with a steal. Nico on the run, natapigan. Nico underneath, scoops it up. Nilawa pa. And there's a foul whistled here. Let's take a look at this right here. Yung long three-pointer dito ni Jeff Dizon from Curry Country. Baseline inbound. Nanakaw play sana sila for Butuizon. Of course, Jim Butuizon is the brother of Mr. Everything na Luwid 1, CJ Butuizon. So there's 2 brothers here, Ernesto Basangan and CJ Butuizon's brother playing for the city of Mabalacat. Of course, both of them are the pride of Mabalacat. Of course, just like this man, Elospa three-pointer short. It was straight. That's how you know. How you know you're a shooter kapag you miss long or short, not left and right. And Elospa's jumper was a little bit short that time. Hoy, happy watching sa MVP na si Nagliga Asia born 2001 himself, Mr. Cash Money. Sunny Estil. Boss Sunny, happy watching. Nagulat ako Sonny, congratulations din. He'll be suiting up soon for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Oh, good move right there. What a spin move here by Carl Kamaya. Let's take a look at this beautiful spin move by Kamaya. The speed of that spin move was beautiful. As Kamaya misses. Second free throw for Carl. Battle for the rebound. Tipino comes out. 3-on-3, taps it to Elospa. MJ in transition. 11 first half points now for MJ Elospa. Garcia now back on the floor for Apalit. Kamaya. Back to Garcia. They try to lob it up. Well read by Jenriv Manalo. Oh, good read by Kamaya on the steal. Kamaya, kung makapagal, denied there, and a basket and one para dito kay Maglalang. JP not giving up on the play. And he gets rewarded here with another and one opportunity. Let's take a look. Tipino challenge makapagal. But then on the second challenge na dito kay Maglalang, it's a foul now. Converted the first three-point play kanina, and this time kumpleto pa rin. So 6 points now for JP Maglalang. Elospa. Jeff hesitated to shoot from way downtown this time. Gets the ball back. Dizon spins. Up, under. Tried to pass it to Tipino, and here comes Masibak, and Masibak gets the basket. Now all tied tayo at 28. They go to the corner, talking about City of Mabalacat. There's a discontinued dribble violation whistle dito. It's going to be on Charles Briones. The turnovers are starting to pile up para sa panig. City of Mabalacat. Garcia. They kick it to the corner. Kamaya, three-pointer off the mark. Rebounded by Tipino. Dizon on the run. Dizon will fly. Niluwahan nga lang ng ring. Good challenge right here by Makapagal. Lendel. Open look right here. Kamaya once again. Oh! Second time that has happened para dito sa panig ng Apalit. Kanina si Makapagal. This time, it's Maglalang playing even though wala pang bito. Great job right here. Here's Kamaya's miss. And the ball hit the stanchion but it didn't go out of bounds. Maglalang didn't stop playing. Good job. And lamang na ulit ngayon ang Apalit. I love it. 30-28. Kayo pa rin po ang nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as makikita natin ang mga fans sa loob dito ng Brenzy Giao Convention Center. Dumarami na ang nanonood ng ating third game at syempre hello din sa 1.2K viewers and counting, should I say 1.2K and counting sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page. Comment po kayo dyan kung sinong kupunan po ba ang inyong sinusuportahan dito at sinong player po ba ang inyong iniidolo. At paano nyo mamaya, mabasa ko po ang inyong comments. As good steal right there, but Manalo gets it back and Jenriv will go back to the free throw line. Jenriv Manalo will go shoot 2 free throws. Of course, Jenriv Manalo, this is one of the players that I keep on describing na hustle player talaga. I first was able to cover him, represented Quezon City. And then next was Luwid 1 na, his own Pampanga team na ang nirepresent niya, ang Luwid 1 Kapampangan under coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan last year sa Sinag Liga Asia. Good to see that Genriv is finally playing in his home team ng Luwid 1, not representing any other city. Now he's representing Mabalacat na ngayon. Pull-up jumper by Garcia is no good. Rebound by Nico Tipino. Basangan on the attack. Rayner kicks it, three-pointer. It's good para dito kay Tolentino. Kevin with his first 3 points of the ball game. At lamang na ulit itong City of Mabalacat. MCG cares. Dangerous pass right there. Masibak. Stolen away and Elospa gets fouled in transition. As Montalvo comes back into the ball game. As the referees will review it dahil nga it was going to be a fast break opportunity para dito sana kay MJ Elospa. So they're checking if it's going to be upgraded to a sportsman-like foul for impeding of a fast break. Or in other terms, a transition foul. Habang nakatingin ang ating mga referees sa IRS, tingin tayo sa ating comment section and let's check this out muna. There's the steal. Elospa advances the ball and there's the foul. So they're checking on two things. If advantage foul ba to for an sports, two things for an sportsman, like an advantage foul, or was the player from Apalit going for the basketball? If hindi, it merits an sportsman like then. So Kamaya is whistled here for a foul. An sportsman-like foul. Yes, habang free throw dito si MJ Elospa. Let's read some of the comments here. Kay Joseph Balatbat, always watching daw from Milan, Italy. Wow, thank you so much po, Sir Joseph, for watching all the way from Milan, Italy. Of course, also watching daw si Reyna Kamaya. Of course, I think kapamilya siguro to ni Kamaya here. So, kasi taga-Apalit din to. So, of course, yung mga families na hindi nakapunta sa venue, they're also watching at home. So, happy watching po and good luck po sa inyong mga players dito. And hopefully, we'll see them soon sa Sinag Liga Asia. Speaking of, Elospa, an alumni of Sinag Liga Asia. There's a foul. Is it gonna be on Elospa or Tolentino? It's on Elospa daw. Dahil penalty na nga. Itong Mabalacat is humingi 2 free throws para dito kay Masibak. First free throw for Yuri is good. Let's see if can Yuri go 2 for 2. 1 out of 2 in the tap by Montalvo, no good. Pero there's a lane violation on the shooter, so even if Montalvo hit that shot, it will still be nullified. Babalik dito si Kim Arcilla. As happy watching kay Jeffrey Ponce Torres, watching from Canada. Go, 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 Apalit daw. So sa mga nasa ibang bansa, especially from Canada and the US, abangan nyo po ang Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase as some Canadian teams will also play here. And United States teams as fast break. Garcia, the layup, niluwa pa. And even the putback, wala rin. 3-on-2, Tolentino to Tipino, up fake. Denied right there by Makapagal. Garcia to Masibak. Blocked by Tolentino. Ayaw pa rin talaga for Apalit. Basangan. Rayner flies. Good defense by Montalvo kahit nakatalikod siya. substitution from the Apalit. Here, let's look at this. Montalvo was turning around and was still able to get the block on Basangan. As Jeff Dizon comes back in, Tolentino will sit down. Jeff to inbound. Gives it to Nico. They go to Genriv. Genriv's intended pass to Arcilia goes out of bounds dahil nga natapik dito ni Macapagal. Tipino goes over to Dizon, back to Basangan. Rayner goes down low and Arcilia couldn't handle the pass. So another turnover for Mabalacat City. Lendel, a little bit too quiet here for the score in the scoring department. And si Garcia, of course, well defended na siya as Montalvo with a rebound. Macapagal from the outside, bumped by the Dizon and he'll shoot to the line for two dahil nga penalty na. Macapagal with two free throws right here. He can retake the lead if he hits both, as we can see. Coach Romel Pascual of Mabalacat City, MCG Cares, talking to MJ Elospa, giving him some instructions. Macapagal knocks down the first free throw. Two out of two. And Apalit is now in front again. 2 minutes and 56 remaining in the second period. Dizon holding the ball. Gives it to Tipino. Back to Dizon. He'll try from way downtown again. Almost for Dizon. Macapagal the toss-up. Too strong nga lang doon yung tira ni Torres. Basangan. Natapikan sa likod. And ball will remain dito sa panig ng Mabalacat City. Arcilia gives it to Basangan. Rayner, the crossover. Rayner, hop step. The layup is short. Arcilia. The long arms of Montalvo and Macapagal are really giving it to Mabalacat some troubles. And look at Macapagal on the run there. That's a second foul whistled here on Nico Tipino. Babalik ito si Benson Liscano on the floor. Upo muna si Nico Tipino as Macapagal earlier trip niya. 2 for 2. Let's see if he can do it again to give them a 3-point cushion right now. The percentage of free throw bate namin. Ako, increased or lowered down. Macapagal second free throw. Short din. Liscano with the board. Basangan gives it to Dizon. They swing it to Arcilia. Wide open look. And good shot there by Kim Arcilia, knocking it down at lamang na ulit dito Mabalacat City. Garcia on the attack. Drops it off. Block right there by Liscano. Benson gives it to Rayner, and Rayner will fly. And Rayner Basangan with his first 2 points of the ball game. And lamang na ulit ng apat itong Mabalacat. 37 to 33, a minute and 40 natitira sa ating first half dito. We have a timeout on the floor. We will be right back. Please check out and watch out for the upcoming tournaments ng Sinag Liga Asia this coming March 2024, ang ating 19 under and 23 under. And sa mga nanonood, hindi lang po yan dito sa Luzon. Mag-abang lang po din kayo sa Visayas and Mindanao regions because syempre, those are going to be qualifiers for the Junior World Showcase happening in July dito po sa Pampanga. Very exciting times for Sinag Liga Asia. If you're an SLA fan, I hope you're very, very excited. Ito, syempre, kung kabalin ka, excited ka dahil napakaganda ng mga laro natin dito. Sa good drop pass dito. And the 2 points para dito kay John Mirabel. His first 2 points of the ball game. Great play drawn up by Coach Saldi Messina. Rayner drops it off. Liscano. And he'll troop to the line for 2. Great pass right there by Basangan. And Benson Liscano will go to the free throw line to shoot 2. Liscano misses the free throw as happy watching po sa nanonood ngayon na si Henry Solis. Sir Henry Solis, enjoyed the game po from the OB van. Liscano kicks it to Arcilia. Oh, masyadong mataas yung pasa. Either mataas yung pasa or he was throwing it to Coach Leo. Nonetheless, Coach Leo is not part of the 5 on the floor. A chance here for Apalit to tie the game or even retake the lead for a 3 if they get a 3. Lendl. Look at how this kid handles the basketball. Really put the ball on a string as a 3-pointer by Torres is a miss. Tumatakbo na naman etong mga nakaputi. Dizon on the run. Jeff with an easy layup. Up by 4 ulit. Etong Mabalacat. Garcia kicks to the corner. Montalvo, 3-pointer. 0 for 5 from the outside. Etong si Montalvo ngayong araw. And still no field goals para dito kay Kent Montalvo. As Dizon looking for the last shot of the second period. Arcilia gives it to Basangan. Rayner on the run, drops it off JP. Nakakapasok lang. Still a little bit cold itong si JP Malyari. Couldn't catch the ball cleanly as 0.5 of a second remaining in this ball game. (39-35). 0.5 of a second at di natitira dito ang Apalit. I love it. At etong Mabalacat City MCG cares lamang na ng 4 na puntos. 39-35 at the half. And they did it without MJ Elospa playing that second half of that second quarter. It was guys like Jeff Dizon, Rayner Basangan, Kim Arcilia, and itong si Benson Liscano ang gumawa ng scoring for them. But dito on the part of Apalit, I love it. They're missing the production galing dito kay Kent Montalvo. They're trying to really get back-to-back victories dito after winning their game against Lubao last January 25. That was a 3-pointer by Kim Arcilia kanina that put up Mabalacat back in the lead, and that's why they're up by 4, 39-35 at the half dito lang sa 2024 Delta Cup. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as at the half. Itong City of Mabalacat MCG ay lamang ng 4 na puntos, 39-35 against Apalit. I love it dito at the half. Itong panig ng Mabalacat City MCG Cares really got hot from the three-point land. Si Elospa and ito si Jeff Dizon. But on the part of Apalit, I love it. Nawawala yung contributions ngayong araw ni Kent Montalvo. Still scoreless tong si Kent ngayong araw. But the others have stepped up in their favor. Let's see what will happen dito after their own halftime huddles, as this is just a 2-possession lead para dito sa panig ng Mabalacat City MCG Cares. Look at this 3-point shooting. The marksmanship galing dito sa panig ng Mabalacat City. Really accurate dito. So ito ang ating leading scores. Elospa leads all scores with 11. Jeff Dizon with 8 and BJ Viray with 5 for City of Mabalacat. Para naman dito sa Apalit, I love it. Maglalang and Makapagal both with 8 points and Elmar Dizon with 6 points. Ito si JP Magalang has 8 points coming off the bench together with Edmar Dizon. So what a start for them in this second quarter, as ito nga ang ating Sinaglakas 40 semi-finals game tomorrow po yan, January 28 sa Malolos Sports and Convention Center. Ang laban ng Taytay J Project kontra Tito Rex's Firewire, and the Santa Rosa Lionsades will face off against the home team, Malolos Republic. Kaya na bang mabook ng Santa Rosa Lionsades and Tito Rex Firewire ang kanilang finals berth dito? Or will Taytay J Project and Malolos Republic come back and live to fight another game? As MJ Elospa with 11 first half points. We will see if he can once again catch fire dito sa second half and lead itong Mabalacat City to victory. Or will Apalit, I love it, continue to catch fire in this second half and come back? Dahil nga, wala pa yung production ni Kent Montalvo. The start of the second half, JP Malyari played only a couple of minutes in that first half dahil nga na-late siya ng dating, and now he's here and he starts the second half. The defender of the Win 1 Kapampangan and a former Pampanga Delta champion in various tournaments. Kamaya goes to the corner. Lendel, step back jumper. Still at a sinking jump shot dito ni Lendel Garcia. Elospa. What? He was trying to pass it to Malyari. Masyado nga lang mataas. And here comes Makapagal on the run. And Makapagal with a Giannis Antetokounmpo-like layup right there. Big steps to the basket. Ito for Makapagal. JP. They kick it to MJ. MJ to JP. The Tulu with 1 Kapampangan Cagers connect. That is a traveling violation para sa panig ng Mabalacat. There's a whistle here. First personal foul right here on Mabalacat. Their first team foul. They're up by 2. Talking about the City of Mabalacat. Montalvo went 0 for 5 from the three-point land in the first half. Silvestre attacks. Silvestre. Short nga lang yung layup. Makapagal with the offensive board. They're fighting for it. Players diving on the floor. That's a foul on Christian Silvestre. There's a chance para dito. Para sa Mabalacat to increase the lead. Manalo gets the basket underneath. Genrive Manalo with his first 2 points of the game. Oh, good defense right there. Macapagal overshoots. Elospa on the run. Elospa, the crossover stolen away. But he taps it to Dizon. Jeff gives it to Basangan. Rainer, the drop to Elospa. Tried to pass it pa. Papunta dito. Kay Malyari, natapik nga lang. 8 seconds to shoot for the men in white. Let's take a look at it right here. Yun, natapik pa sa dulo. Manalo underneath. Genriv with back-to-back baskets. Four points now in this quarter for Genriv Manalo. Kamaya gets the ball back. Three-pointer. Off the mark. So the three-point shots para dito. Sa panig ng Apalit, I love it, is not going through. But etong si Macapagal continues to score. There's a warning on Macapagal for a delay of game. Rainer gives it to Jeff. Hands it off to MJ. Basangan, 10 seconds to shoot. Dizon, clear traveling violation right there. The chance para dito sa panig ng Apalit, I love it, to cut the lead down. It's currently at 4 once more. 7 minutes and 13 remaining in this third period. Kamaya. The crossover. Good drop off. Montalvo is fouled and he'll troop to the line for 2. So finally, Montalvo with a chance to get his first points of the game here. Dahil nga scoreless pa etong si Kent Montalvo ngayong araw. What potential this kid has. The length, the athletic ability, the skill. It's all about being consistent, and he knocks down his first point of the ball game. Two out of 2 for Montalvo, and can he heat up after that shot? After those 2 free throws. Dizon goes to Malyari. To the cutting Manalo, Genriv. Gives it to Elospa. Again, they try that lob play to Malyari. Hindi na naman sila magkakonect. Dizon, one-handed shot from the baseline. No go. Silvestre with the rebound. Kamaya on the run. He has Montalvo on his right. Montalvo, first field goal para dito kay Kent Montalvo. And there you go, like I said. Montalvo can wake up in an instant. 4 points now to his tally. Basangan gives it to Dizon. Dizon, the floater, in and out. Rebound by Silvestre. Garcia gives it to Montalvo. Kent hesitated to shoot that. Garcia pick and roll sana. Natapik ni Basangan. Dizon on the run, gives it to Rainer. Rainer drops it off to MJ. 13 points now for MJ Elospa. (45-43), still a 2-point lead para dito sa Mabalacat. Silvestre the rip through. That's a traveling violation. Dragged his pivot foot itong si Christian Silvestre. Lalabas itong si Silvestre, papalitan siya. Anthony Maglalang. Elospa hands it off to Basangan. 5 minutes and 35 remaining in this ball game. Third period, should I say. Elospa goes down low to Genriv. Masyadong alam mababa yung pasa. JP saves the possession. JP puts it up. No good. JP sitting down, gets the basketball at naputukan sila ng 24.
Shot clock violation.
Shot clock violation whistled right here. That throwdown by Macapagal does not count, but they still have possession of the basketball right now. Nico Tipino will come back in, replacing ito si JP Malyari. Garcia gives it to Kamaya. Lendl to the corner. Nakapagal on the attack, shut down the baseline. Garcia is fouled. It's gonna be on Rainer Basangan. Third team foul of Mabalacat. 11 seconds to shoot for the men in orange. Tamayo loses the ball. Tumatakbo na itong si Dizon. Jeff on the run, and Jeff with an easy layup. Makapagal receives the pass. Kent goes behind the back, natapik ni Tipino. And ito na naman Jeff Dizon again on the run. Kaliwa naman ang kanyang ginamit. One with the right and the other one with the left. And it's now 49-43, a 6-point lead para dito sa Mabalacat. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining after this fast break layup. Back-to-back fast break layups galing dito kay Jeff Dizon. One with the right and the other one with the left. 49-43 is our score. Kayo pa po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Dizon goes to the corner. Garcia, three-pointer. In and out pa rin. So the struggle for Apalit continues to shoot from the outside. Maglalang again with the basket underneath. Now 11 points to his name. There's a foul on Maglalang here. First personal foul for JP. Dizon goes to Elospa. MJ's pass was tapped. And here, tumatakbo na naman ang Apalit as, Masibak couldn't handle the pass. Yuri, a little bit too fast for his own good that time. Tipino gives it. Dizon swings it to Elospa. MJ, too strong, but Tipino with a rebound. Short yung tira dun. Tumatakbo na naman itong Apalit. Down by 4. Dizon. Tumasibak. Good tap. What a tap right there by Elospa. That saved 2 points there. Good defense by Mabalacat. Lendl to inbound. Montalvo attacks. Montalvo the layup. Too strong. And Manalo couldn't handle the rebound at babalik ang bola dito sa panig ng Apalit. Three minutes and 15 remaining on the game of the third quarter. Dizon pounded there, but he gives it papunta dito kay Masibak. Yuri attacks, tried to drop it off to Maglalang. Maglalang wasn't ready. Buti na lang tumama dito sa paan ni Jenrick Manalo. 4.7 seconds. Lendl from the outside. Garcia misfires. Elospa finally clears it for Mabalacat. Elospa the toss-up. Dizon with a Euro step and Jeff with another basket. Mabalacat is really silencing itong crowd ng Apalit ngayong araw. We saw how wild this crowd was against Lubao as finally a 3-point make para dito kay Montalvo. His first conversion after 6 attempts. 1 out of 6 now for Montalvo. On the fast break, Garcia stops. Jumper is good. And here comes Apalit. They've cut the lead down to 1. Back-to-back baskets, a quick 5-0 run para sa kanila dito at the 2-minute and 22-second mark of the third period, 51-50. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Itong City of Mabalacat's lead is cut down to 1. Ken, Nico Tipino, and the others finally explode. As Apalit starting to clamp back down on defense, same way they did against Lubao last game. Jeff gives it to MJ. Tipino. Oh, good defense right there by Maglalang. But Tipino played safety there and got the steal. Elospa puts his head down. Elospa puts it up. Will troop to the line for 2 as the foul will be on Kent Montalvo. Let's take a look at this attack ulit by MJ Elospa. Binwehilo talaga niya. MJ Elospa. Again, a no scorer for Luwid 1 in his debut game for Luwid 1. Pampanga scored 26 points. And they played that game without another pride of Mabalacat City, CJ Buitison, the brother of Jim Buitison, who's actually in the lineup of Mabalacat. Elospa misses the first, knocks down the second. Two-point lead para dito sa Mabalacat City, MCG. Garcia. Back to Dizon. Oh, good pass to Maglalang, but what a denial right there by Genriv. Last line of defense, Genriv Manalo, huling-huli. Saying that that's the best way to get yourself referred to in the past tense. Ang gamit ko na rin yun dito. Look at this passing right here for Apalit. Yun nga lang, hindi sila aware sa shot clock. And another 24-second shot clock violation. Both of these teams have had multiple shot clock violations in this ball game. Elospa gives it to Tipino, back to Jeff Dizon. They swing it to MJ, back to Arcilia. Dizon from way downtown, short. Manalo fighting for that rebound. Montalvo gets it. Kent on the run. Montalvo will fly, nabitin nga lang. Here comes Elospa. MJ, Euro step. And he is fouled and will go back to the line. A sorry miss on one end para dito kay Montalvo. And then on the other end, Elospa, while there's no defenders, inatake agad. It's Makapagal troops back into the ball game. Coach Zaldi Messina really hanging his hats on this lengthy guard-forward combination na meron siya. But MJ Elospa just trying to score over everybody right now. A junior silent assassin itong si Elospa. Not really showing a lot of emotion, but is a deadly scorer who can drop 30 on anybody. What a block right there with Tipino, but the referee says there's a foul. And the entire bench of Mabalacat really not happy. Felt like they got all ball, but the referee says there's a foul. Let's check it right here. Tipino. On the tail end of that layup, natamaan yung braso. Edmar Dizon knocks down the first. Second free throw for Edmar, niluwa pa. MJ spinning away from the defense. Elospa kicks it to the corner. Jeff, one dribble, pull up. Air ball, good defense right there. But the other Dizon, Edmar Dizon. And here's Edmar on the run. No good pa rin para sa Apalit. 18 seconds left, so Jeff Dizon would wait for the final shot of this quarter. 2-point lead for Mabalacat. Dizon asking for a screen from Manalo. He rejects it, goes down low. Arcelius block right there by Maglalang. Jenrif's putback is no-go at dyan magtatapos ang ating third quarter action dito. What defense we've been seeing here from both of these squads. Blocks from left and right, physicality, and now it's just a 2-point lead para dito sa City of Mabalacat, 53-51, as we can see some of these third quarter highlights, and that was the high-flying layup kanina ni Khalid Macapagal. And on the other end, itong si Jeff Dizon and MJ Elospa combining in that third quarter for some scoring outbursts. But right here, Kent Montalvo finally with 4 points to his tally. Nagising na si Kent Montalvo, but Jeff Dizon goes back-to-back layups from left and right ang kanyang ginawa. That's why lamang pa rin dito ang Mabalacat City MCG against Apalit. I love it, 53-51, entering the fourth and final quarter of the 2024 Delta Cup. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. Lamang ng dalawa, itong Mabalacat City MCG. They have first crack at the basketball right now in the fourth period. Tipino gives it. Elospa wide open looking. MJ knocks down his, I believe, third three-point conversion of the ball game. And Elospa nearly tapped that. Out of bounds. Si referee Michael Galotera. Elospa again exploding in this what I love to call sa Sinag Liga Asia Born 2001, this Carmelo Anthony-like performances na kayang-kaya niyang gawin anytime. And once again, he's doing that in this ball game. What a move right there. Powering through itong si Maglalang. Basangan goes to Tipino. Nico, partially blocked there by Montalvo. Tipino with a foul. Fourth personal foul on Nico Tipino. It's a crucial call that Tipino is their 3-and-D player right now. Does Apalit have a big burst from three-point land dahil yun talaga yung nawawala sa kanila ngayong laro? The three-point shooting is really not up to par. As I say that, they have it in there. Edmar Dizon knocks down the three to tie the game at 56. And here the crowd coming from Apalit here in Brenzigiao. Elospa wants a screen. Liscano gives a big pick. Elospa, three-pointer off the mark. Fight for the rebound. Malyari and etong si Macapagal really fighting for it. Jump ball is whistled and ball possession arrow points the way of Apalit. Let's check out this three-pointer by Edmar Dizon right there. Their second three-point conversion of the half. Their first one was, of course, coming from Kent Montalvo in the third period. Masibag. Kicks it to Montalvo. Step back. Gives it to Masibak. Back to Kent against JP. Kent, the crossover. The spin. Good defense by JP, but better cut by Dizon. Mabalacat says, let's calm things down. Tie ball game tayo at 56. Arcilia, in and out. And Maglalang again with another rebound. Montalvo puts it up, no good. And look at that putback right there. And lamang na. Etong Apalit, I love it. Elospa gives it to Basangan. Back to MJ, open look, MJ. In and out and back in again for MJ Elospa. Fourth three-point make for Elospa. It's a Macapagal and Elospa show right now. Dizon, no good. And Liscano with a rebound. Oh, an offensive foul whistled here on Liscano. And hear the crowd right now. Second personal foul on Benson Liscano. Check this out right here. There's the pass. Yun, may tulak pa siya right after. That's where the offensive foul come from. Baseline inbound for Apalit. Naghahabol sila ng isang puntos dito. Edmar. Oh, an offensive foul whistled on Maglalang. Warding off yung kamay dito ni Liscano, so bawian lang sila dito. A lost chance again for Apalit, I love it. Elospa playing point. Basangan. Lobs it to JP. JP to Liscano. Benson. Sobra yung tira. Last touch doon. Ito si Montalvo. Ball will remain with Mabalacat. 10 seconds to shoot for the men in white. Rayner to inbound. They lob it up to Arcilia. That was denied. Rayner. 8 seconds on the clock. Basangan drops it off. Arcilia to Liscano. Up fake. Babangga. And he's blocked right there. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation for Mabalacat. Pupunta dito ang bola sa Apalit. I love it. And the fans are really invested in this ball game now. Tipino and Manalo come back in. Uupo itong si Liscano and Malyari. Again, itong si Tipino already has 4 personal fouls, so he has to watch himself here that he doesn't get fouled out of the game. Masibak gives it to Edmar. Dizon will attack. Dizon, flip shot is good! Balik ang kalamangan dito sa Apalit. What will Mabalacat answer? Basangan gives it to Manalo. Jenry puts it up and in. What a pass there by Basangan. Arcilia. Stolen away. Eto. Tipino waits for friends. Basangan will attack. Kicks it to the corner. Elospa open look. Elospa knocks it down. Pang-limang tres para dito kay Elospa. Montalvo. Tipino better watch himself. He has 5 fouls as Montalvo cruises easily to the basket. And the fans in the bench na Mabalacat nag-aasaran. Tipino, blocked by Montalvo. And there's a foul on Basangan. I think they're going to review it. And they're going to review it dito sa IRS because Basangan appeared like it didn't go for the ball there. Let's take a look at this beautiful block by Montalvo right there. And Basangan, here's the foul. Clearly wasn't going for the ball, and he'll be whistled for an unsportsmanlike foul. So 2 free throws plus ball possession para dito sa Apalit. I love it.
Rainer Basangan, second foul.
Once again, happy watching to the 1.4K viewers dito sa Facebook ng Pampanga PIO as first free throw for Edmar Dizon is good. That's the lead down to 1. 1 out of 2 for Edmar, but still they get ball possession because of the unsportsmanlike call. Dizon. The two Dizons guarding each other. Edmar, big steps to the basket, kicks it out. Macapagal, three-pointer. Too strong. Ilospa with another rebound. MJ on the attack. MJ, block right there by Macapagal. And he might have gotten hurt. Macapagal's down as Garcia. No good yung tres. Montalvo with a rebound. And Macapagal holding on to his right foot. When he went down, he was immediately grimacing in pain. Macapagal has been playing so well up until this point. And he's down on the floor, and the entire Apalit crowd here has gone dead silent. Let's take a look. Oh! Stepped on Ilospa's foot inadvertently, and immediately you can see he goes down, tweaking his ankle right there. He's still down on the floor. Our medical staff dito are already holding on to si Macapagal. Let's take a look at it one more time. There's the drive by Ilospa. Watch for the left leg. There you go. The right leg, excuse me, not left. Right leg niya landed on Ilospa's foot. Clearly rolling his ankle right there and immediately clutching to it and grimacing in pain. Macapagal holding on. Higpitan din ng mga medical staff ang kanyang sapatos dito for precautionary purposes. The mayor of Apalit already coming close to his players right there, talking to the medical staff din. Macapagal has been playing exceptionally well ngayong araw. Like I said nga, it was a Macapagal-Ilospa battle ngayong araw. It's not a sight to see if you're an Apalit I Love It fan. Actually, not a sight to see if you're a fan of basketball. Kasi nga, this kid has been playing so well. He's actually the catalyst kung bakit nakadikit itong Apalit. Every time they had trouble scoring, he was doing the dirty work. Now that he is out, it's a next man up mentality for Apalit I Love It. As we can see MJ Ilospa again, inadvertently, andun yung paa ni Ilospa, hindi naman niya sinasadya. Nandun, he just fell. Ito, both teams, and with that, we're at the midway point of the fourth and final quarter. 5 minutes and 1 second remaining here. 64-63, 1 point lead for Mabalacat. So still attending to, as we can see some of the fans right here. Dito, nakatayo na in support. Edmar gives it to Garcia. Masibag goes to, and still out of sync yung jumper dito ni Lendel Garcia. Ilospa to Jeff Dizon. Nearly lost the basketball. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Jeff gives it to Tipino. Nico travels that time. Another turnover for Mabalacat. And the answer is here in the arena. Lancer, the answer, Khan. The star scorer of Luwid 1 Kapampangan in the building here. Of course, taga-Guagua. Itong si Lancer Khan. So it is a surprise dahil walang laro ang Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo ngayong araw. Dizon goes to Garcia. Garcia attacks in traffic. Dizon three-pointer short pa rin. Garcia the layup. Garcia puts it up and in. Elos pa. What will they counter? Down by 1 itong Mabalacat. MJ wants a double screen. Gives it to Tipino. Tipino from way downtown. No good. And look at that rebound right here by Maglalang. Edmar Dizon playing point. Gives it to Lendel. Are we in for another cardiac finish dito sa Delta Cup? Lendel gives it to Edmar Dizon. No good yung kanyang tres. But they save the possession. Oh, muntik na yun for Maglalang. Elos pa on the run. MJ all the way to the basket. Oh, good tap by Tipino, but Masibak gets it. Oh, sorry, miss right there for Maglalang. Elos pa tumatakbo na naman. Bounce pass, gives it to Tipino. Nico, jumper. Oh, Basangan is fouled. Great up fake by Rainer Basangan. Rainer Basangan right there. Beautiful up fake, getting his defender up in the air. And Christian Silvestre comes back in for the first time since the third period. Medyo matagal nakaupo si Silvestre because ang ganda ng nilalaro nga ni Maglalang. As Basangan can't make his first free throw. Let's see if he can make the second one. The younger brother of Ernesto Basangan misses the second one, but Manalo gets the offensive board. But they get the steal. Talking about Apalit, I love it. Montalvo, he'll attack. Drops it off to Silvestre. Silvestre overshoots the layup. And Dizon gets fouled there by Garcia. Tensions are rising, emotions are showing dito sa ating laro. 2 minutes and 34 natitira in this cardiac ball game we have here. And mind you, mga kabalin, third game pa lang tayo dito. We still have one more game here. Jeff sees a gap. Dizon puts it up. Manalo rebound, wala pa rin. JP fighting for it. Tumatakbo na naman ang Apalit. Masibag couldn't make the layup. Here comes Elospa. MJ is fouled. Oh, Manalo trying to throw it down. His frustrations right there. I didn't know Genrick Manalo had that in him. Baseline inbound right here for Mabalacat City MCG. Manalo seals, kicks it to Tipino. Nico to Elospa. There's a whistle right here. It's going to be on Montalvo. Who's holding on to Manalo, trying to seal him from the low box. This will be 2 free throws for Genriv Manalo, the former Dolphin, and Luwid 1 Kapampangan Cager. Genriv first free throw. Knocks it down and blew a kiss to the Apalit crowd. Here's the gamesmanship that we all love to watch. And Manalo wasn't looking kung pinasa sa kanya ng referee yung bola. 1 out of 2 for Manalo. Look at Malyari! Manalo powering through, and that's a traveling violation dito on Jendrick Manalo. The crowd of Apalit is letting him hear it. A 2-point lead for Mabalacat. Masibak attacks, Masibak puts it up and in. Tie game tayo at 67. Elospa wants the basketball. He's asking for a screen. Dizon, step back triple. No good. Malyari, clear push right there by JP. So a chance for Apalit, I love it, to retake the lead with a bucket right here. 1 minute and 30 remaining in this ball game. Let's take a look. Exactly 90 seconds natitira sa ating laro. Garcia, the hero of the last game against Lubao. Can he be the hero right now? Lendl drops it off. Oh, nabitin lang for Edmar. And eto, Dizon on the run. Montalvo chasing him. Dizon flips it up. No good. Fight for the rebound. Who will get it? And there's a foul. It's gonna be on Jeff Dizon. At dahil penalty na, this will be 2 free throws for Edmar Dizon, who you can clearly say siya ang catalyst bakit nakahabol dito ang Apalit. I love it. Let's take a look at this. There's the foul on Jeff Dizon to Dizon Prime right there. Edmar with 2 crucial free throws right here. Edmar, first free throw. Knocks it down. Lamang ng isa ang Apalit. Let's see if he can go 2 for 2. 1 out of 2. Montalvo with the putback. 3-point lead para sa Apalit. Tipino gives it to Elospa. MJ wants a screen. Elospa being hounded right here by Masibak. Elospa pulls up, couldn't knock it down. Fight for the loose ball. Garcia gets it. Masibak stolen away by Elospa. There's still time. Tipino, 3-pointer. No good. Manalo rebound. Natapik. And bola ng Apalit. Big pick right there. An offensive foul whistled on Silvestre. Big turnover for Apalit. I love it. And a crucial timeout right here for Coach Romel Pascual. They are down by 3 with 23.1 seconds remaining. Let's take a look at this pick. Oh, clearly, nilabas ni Silvestre yung bewang niya. That little nudge by Silvestre was enough for the referees to blow their whistle. As itong 23.1 seconds remaining, and happy watching po to the 1.9K viewers as we will see ang ating face of the game dito. Congratulations po ate, kayo po ang ating face of the game. But ang tunay na panalo talaga dito ang mga fans natin. Dahil 2,000 viewers na tayo sa Facebook Live natin. Dahil nga napakaganda ng ating laro dito. 23.1 seconds remaining. A 3-point lead for Apalit. You're Mabalacat. Do you go for the quick 2 and foul and hope for get to the stop? Or do you go to tie with a 3-pointer? Malyari, Manalo, Elospa, Tipino. And itong si Jeff Dizon are the 5 on the floor para dito sa panig ng Mabalacat. Malyari to inbound. Where will they go? JP gives it to Jeff. D-Zone gives it to MJ. 9 seconds on their shot clock. D-Zone gives it. Tipino, three-pointer. No good. Tapigan ng bola. Apalit gets it. And a foul is whistled on Malyari. It's Bedlam here in Brengyao. Crucial three-point miss para dito kay Nico Tipino. And D-Zone, Edmar D-Zone, knocks down the first 4-point lead for Apalit. Let's see if he can knock down the second to seal the win for Apalit. I love it right now. D-Zone, 2 out of 2. Ice in his veins for Edmar D-Zone. Jeff, one-handed three-pointer, nearly got it to go, and that'll do it. Apalit with a major comeback in this ball game. What a game para dito sa Apalit. I love it. They were down for the most part of this fourth quarter, and they are the ones who are coming out on top. Unlike the game against Lubao, they were leading all the way. This game, they had to scratch and claw their way to victory. What a ball game. What a stunner. This is basketball, ladies and gentlemen, and that is our final score, 72-67. A 5-point victory para dito sa Apalit. I love it. What a stunner. Despite of everything that happened, despite of Khaled Macapagal getting injured all throughout this ball game, everything para dito sa Apalit started falling in the right time. At ngayon, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Edmar D-Zone. Edmar, congratulations. Grabe, kita-kita ko, hinihingal ka na ngayon. Naghahabol kayo buong laro. Nung na-injure pa si Khaled Macapagal, anong sinabi sa inyo ni Coach at bigla na lang pumutok yung kamay mo at ikaw talaga ang naghabol para dito sa Apalit?
Sinabi po ng coach sa amin, tiwala lang po kahit wala po yung bigay lang po namin yung best namin at bigay lang po namin yung best namin at kasi po nanonood sila, Vice, sila Mayor, mga taga-Apalit pong nandyan, mga paligi, binigay lang po talaga namin yung best namin.
Well, kita-kita naman talaga, binigay mo rin talaga yung best mo para mahabol etong kalamangan. At ngayon, Edmar, etong mga dumayong fans ninyo galing Apalit, ano ba nararamdaman mo at ganyang kagrabe? Halos punuin nila tong Brengyao ngayon eh.
Suportado po talaga lahat ng Apalit po sa amin, lalo na sila Mayor, sila Vice, lahat po ng mga konsyal, mga SK po, tsaka mga taga-Apalit po talaga, suportado po sa amin talaga sa basketball.
And now, Edmar, bibigyan kita ng chance na pasalamatan ang lahat na sumusuporta sa'yo and even yung mga pamilya mo dahil napakaraming sumisigaw ng pangalan mo kanina sa FB Live natin. Go ahead.
Pinapasalamat ko po sila Mayor, sila Vice, mga konsyal po, mga SK, mga taga-Apalit po na sumusuporta ngayon po sa amin, lalo na po taga-Paligi Apalit, Pampanga po. Yung mga parents ko po nandiyan na mga pinsan po.
Congratulations once again, Edmar D-Zone, 16 points and the victory para dito sa Apalit. I love it. They will move. Actually, not move. They are now stable sa top 3 ng bracket A dito sa ating Delta Cup 2024. And siyempre, coming up next, it's the main event game of the evening between Villa de Bacolor kontra Bayong Porac. Dito lang po yan sa Brensigiao Convention Center. Coming up next po yan dito sa Delta Cup, and that ends our third game of this quadruple header Saturday natin. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Direk Carlo Olpos, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the Brensigiao Convention Center, this has been your 2024 Delta Cup